Stop scrolling. You don't need a gym. You don't need equipment. All you need is your body and a plan. This is how to build muscle, burn fat, and transform your body fast at home. Let's go. Ready to level up your body? Hit subscribe right now and let's train. Here's the truth. Bodyweight workouts work if you train smart. All it takes is intensity, progress, and consistency. No excuses. No machines. Quick warm-up, 3 minutes only. Jumping jacks 30 seconds. High knees 30 seconds. Arm circles 30 seconds. Squats 30 seconds. Then rest 30 seconds. Here's your full home workout plan. Do this 3 to 4 times per week. Upper body. Push-ups 3 sets of 15. Incline push-ups 3 sets of 10. Triceps dips 3 sets of 12. Lower body. Squats 3 sets of 20. Lunges 3 sets of 10 each leg. Glute bridges 3 sets of 15. Core. Plank 30 seconds. Leg raises 10 reps. Crunches 20 reps. Rest 30 seconds between sets. Push hard. Breathe deep. You're not just training your body, you're building discipline. Want faster results? Here's how. Perfect your form. Add more reps every week. Eat protein. Sleep right. Stay consistent. You don't need perfection, you need progress. Every rep, every drop of sweat, that's proof you're changing. If this helped you, tap like, comment I'm in if you're starting today, and subscribe for more workouts and motivation every week. You've got one body, build it strong. Let's do this together.